Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
What we do is how to create the material, because once you've done the configuration, now how you will test the creation of material. There is a transaction code called as a minimizer 1. Here you have mandatory. Once you click on enter, system will be deleted as a mandatory. What are the mandatory fields for the material to create? These are the two things. One is industry sector, another one is a material type. Here, what I'll do, I will select one of the industry sector. For example, I'll say this is industry sector and material type is. I will select as a arch. Click on enter. Now system will automatically assign number. Number ranges is not there for this material. Now for example, I want to create one material. To create the material, what are the things you required? We need generally, these are the control functions of material master. Generally, what are the views we are doing? Basic 1, basic 2. And purchasing view and plant general data than 92 and accounting. These are the views we are considering for the material creation. Click on enter. Which plant we want to create? For example, my plant is 4R1. And what is my storage location? Click on enter. In the S4HANA system, before you want to create a material ledger must be mandatory. How we can create this? Material is activation can be done by finance team, but also we can do it CKM startup. Once it's completed, then only it will create material. Yes, otherwise system will throw an error to you. Just remove the test and click on execute. Valuation area is a 4-1. Material ledger active 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Now it is asking. Now we need to give the description. For example, steel 13-inch. How we measure steel in case. What is a material group? Generally, we will discuss what is configuration. What is a material group here? And if you want to maintain like a grass weight, net weight volume, all those things you can maintain. And you come to purchasing, you in the purchasing group. Just come over here. You select one of the purchasing group. A purchasing group is nothing but the person who is responsible for procurement of this material. That guy. Information will be maintained and we are going to maintain the purchase value key. Generally, these purchase value keys tell like over delivery under delivery tolerance. Reminders, all those things which will be there. And the plant and storage data, like we can see what is a storage location, details like for about this particular material. What is the storage? What is the temperature conditions? Storage conditions. All those things. Here it is not activated. Let's see those standard price here. Now, here we need to give it what is the standard price of this material per 1 unit. It is a 10 rupees. 1 enter and ship. Now I think here some pop-up need to come. It is not coming. Now material is created, like we'll see these people, a lot of settings are changing. Maybe due to that we are not able to see the messages. I just want to. Then click on the execute. Now you can see the material is created. This is like how we will create a material. Then if you go to memo 2. Now we created a material. If you want to change that material, click on enter. Whatever use you want to change, you just select this material. Now, for example, I've maintained some description wrong. I want to put a steady Q1, something I want to maintain. Just select this one, click on set. See, now it is coming. Like this. We need to check and save. This is like how we will create a generally materials. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.